Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is the second lecture of grade 6 of unit 1 humans and animals, and I am your science teacher Sidra Zafar. In the previous lesson we studied about the organs. We all are familiar that human body is composed of the cells, and the group of cells makes the tissues, and the multiple tissues makes the organ. And we study about 6 organs in the previous lesson. These 6 organs are brain, heart, intestine, stomach, lungs, and the kidneys. Today we study about the organ system. When different organs work together, they make an organ system. Heart makes a circular system, brain makes the nervous system, lungs makes the respiratory system, kidneys makes the excretion system, and intestine and stomach makes the digestive system. And there are the total 5 organ system: the circular system, the nervous system, the respiratory system, excretion system, and the digestive system. Today we discuss about the circular system. The heart is the main and very important part of this circular system, and 3 organs are involved in this circular system: the heart, blood, and the blood vessels. This is the heart, and it is divided into the 2 parts, the right part and the left part. The right side is shown in the red color and the left side with blue color. The right part of the heart pumps the oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood is the blood that is rich in oxygen. And the left side of the heart pumps deoxygenated blood. It has been shown in the blue color. Deoxygenated blood is the blood with no oxygen. This is a picture of a circulatory system of the human body. Blood is red liquid that flows around the body in blood vessels. Blood vessels run from the heart to the lungs, around the body, and back to the heart. The blood carries food and oxygen to all parts of the body. It also picks up waste products from the body and carries them to organs which can get rid of them. The heart pumps the blood to the lungs first. Here the blood gets oxygen and pumps to all parts of the body. The blood with oxygen is shown in the red vessels. And here the blood carrying oxygen from the lungs, and in the blue veins, blue vessels, the blood without oxygen. This is a circulatory system of a human body. I hope you understand it. Here is a home task for you. These are the some questions, and you will have to answer these following questions on your notebook and WhatsApp me the pic of your notebook page on my number. Each question carries 2 marks, and the questions are: what is circulatory system? What does the heart do? What is meant by oxygenated and deoxygenated blood? Why does the heart pump blood to lungs before it pumps the blood to the rest of the body? Names the organs which makes the circulatory system. Thank you so much, students. The next lecture will be on the respiratory system. Keep in touch.